meets beautiful in today's fluid art pour. Let's layer these colors and make some chemistry. I'm working on 11 by 14 canvas with a crisp white base. Over that, I'm pouring bold puddles using red, tropical blue, dark blue, and gold to give this piece elegance and movement. I start by covering the canvas with a smooth layer of white base paint. Then I pour puddles of color in a layered pattern, letting each hue interact as I move down the canvas. What's your favorite color combo to pour with? Let me know in the comments. I love to try it out in a future video. Once the colors are in place, I take a wooden skewer and lightly drag through the puddles to form intricate patterns and organic designs. This step really brings the energy into this piece. Here's my favorite part. I tilt, allowing the paint to flow and stretch naturally. I want to preserve the details while letting the composition evolve. Look at how the gold shimmers between the cool blues and fiery red. It's got drama, balance, and flow. If you enjoyed this pour, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I got more color combinations, creative pours coming your way. As always, keep painting.